Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Evergrace. This is Devi here again, and I wish you all a very happy and blessed new year. So friends, I have already discussed it in my first video how to go about storing the cake fruits which are remaining after you have made the Christmas cake. But since I was about to do it, I thought why not to show you how to go about storing it. So as you know, the Christmas is over, New Year is also over, but our cake fruits are still remaining. So let's get started and let me show you how to go about storing it for a few more months. So here is my cake fruits which are remaining. So you can see the top layer is little dry, there is still wetness in the bottom. So I will use a wooden ladle to mix it up once. But still what I find is there is a kind of dryness which is there. So what I am going to do is I am going to add little more rum into it. So I won't add much, just half a cup should be sufficient for a while. So here it is, I am going to pour half a cup with the standard measurement cup. And I am just going to pour it into it. And with the wooden ladle, I will again give it a good mix. So in my first video I have told you that I am running late to store this cake fruits. So that's why I had whatever was available, I had to store it in that. So I had the glass jar at that time, so I did it in that. But ease wise, if you see a flat rectangular dish, a flat glass dish with the lid is a perfect one for this, because it will be easier for you to mix, and then you can store it for months together. If you do it in this way, believe me, you can store it for next 6 months without this going bad, and it will mature further, and the cake which comes out of it will be just amazing. So what you can see is in the sides, you can see the cake fruits are sticking. There's a little bit of stickiness which is due to the dates. So what you have to do is just put these cake fruits back inside with the wooden ladle. You can just push it down. Now you can see clearly there's nothing is sticking on the sides except that kind of a stickiness which is of the dates. Now there is one more small piece here. I'll just push that also back inside. So here it goes. So what I'll do is I'll use a clean napkin and just wipe it off all that stickiness, because this stickiness, if it dries, will give rise to fungus. So just clean the glass wherever you see the stickiness and just remove it. So now you can see that the moisture has come back into the cake again, and now we can close the lid and keep checking. After 2-3 days, give it a mix with the wooden ladle, and that's good enough. So what I usually do is this remaining mixture, I take it almost till Easter. Actually there is no correlation of rum cake and the Easter, but in my house we eat during Easter also. So this cake really goes on till that time also if you preserve it in the right way. So friends, I hope you like this video. So I sincerely hope that you will also be trying to make this cake in future, or you might have made it also. So I request you all to kindly like, share, comment, or any improvements which are required in my videos also, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments box. So till my next video, bye bye and take care.